Hey guys, ready to slap it down? Let's try some crafters neon pink and neon green for our background. Nice. Got this thing here, let's slap her down. You're gonna dip into both sides like this. See what happens. Oh, it's a beauty. Voila. Epic. Let's let that dry for a minute and then we'll get right back to it. Yeah, it's dry, so let's roll that time lapse. Well guys, it's coming together as you can see. We got that beautiful pinks and reds and blues, the whole rainbow. Now we're gonna slap it down with some black. Highlight it all, make it pop. Let's do that.